asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so. Everybody asked me how I know. I smiled at them and said she told me so.
Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video, and in this video let's take a look at MIUI 10 and what's new with it. First of all, let's talk about the cosmetic changes. New notification shade with new animation looks really dope in my opinion. On the top you have your date, time, and on the right side you get all the status bar icons. And most importantly, a settings button is present over here, which has become a vital thing for me. Quick settings are white in color with blue accent with this particular theme. Brightness slider is huge and easy to adjust. Notification shade is different as compared to MIUI 9.5 as well. And once again, I need to mention that new animations look great in the notification shade at least. Volume control looks more like Android P. And volume buttons control media volume by default, meaning if you are going to play a song but the song did not start playing, and if you start using volume buttons, still those volume buttons will control the media volume, and those volume buttons will not make your device go from vibrate mode to ringing mode. You can change the device from silent to ringing by clicking here. Clicking on three dots will reveal the complete volume menu where you can adjust media, ringing and alarm volume. Recent app screen has received the biggest overall of all, and it looks something like this. Full screen of all the apps is shown in the multitasking menu. You can remove them by swiping towards any side. By long pressing on any app, you get these three options. You can either lock them in multitasking menu, or open in split screen mode, or open the settings of that particular app. Settings menu is almost unchanged and no new major feature has been added here. Full screen display is separate option now, which lets you switch to or from software buttons. You can also switch to previous app by switching from left or right edge of the screen and holding it for a couple of seconds. MIUI is present in MIUI 10, but it only recognizes Chinese, which I can't speak, you can't recognize, and chances of it making into global ROM are as good as Redmi Note 3 getting Android Nougat. New sound effects are present in the ROM for locking, unlocking and clicking pictures. AI preload, which will help you reduce app load times by predicting which app you're going to open next by learning your usage pattern and daily routine. I was not able to test it out because it's just my first day of using MIUI 10. Full screen gestures work really great on Mi Mix 2 with MIUI 10 thanks to Snapdragon 835 processor and 6GB of RAM, but I'll surely prefer these type of full screen gestures as compared to default Android P gestures. Let me know what you think about these. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll be making a guide on how to install this particular MIUI 10 on Xiaomi devices, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll be making another dedicated video whenever MIUI 10 global stable ROM or global beta ROM is launched for this particular device, and Xiaomi will keep on adding new features in MIUI 10, so stay tuned for that. If you want to know when MIUI 10 ROM will be released for your device, then the link is present in the description box below. You can go there and check there. It is going to be at least end of the year. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then click on my face right now and get subscribed, because many more awesome videos like these are going to come to you.